Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. My name is Ryan, and here we are today shooting 50 yards with my CZ457 LRP. We're going to be using SK high velocity match today. It's a little windy, not too bad, pretty much as usual, 5 to 8 mile an hour winds, but it's from left to right. So if my shots deviate a bit to the right, we'll know a bit why, but high velocity, so maybe there's less chance for any error to happen. 55 degrees-ish Fahrenheit. That's like decently cool. Not gonna sweat today, so let's get to shooting. So here we are again at 50 yards, and we are shooting the orange box. That's SK high velocity match. Not too sure what to expect with this. A little bit higher velocities to be expected, but we'll find out because I have my Magneto Speed Sporter attached to my barrel. Well, not attached to my barrel, to my custom mount. And we'll be shooting 40 shots at the target from dayattherange.com. If you guys want that target, go down there, grab the target. And as usual, we're gonna do 20 fouling shots at the center, then 4 or 5 shot groups. All the data at the end of the video. And as always, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe, and share with your friends as well. So, I'm not going to waste too much more of your time. Let's get to shooting. Factory, everything minus the trigger. I have a Timney flat blade trigger in here, set just under a pound. So that's the only modification to this rifle at the moment. Normally I use the IBI barrel, but a lot of you guys want to see factory barrel. Let's see what it could do. Get the shades. And center of the target. For 5 shots that verify our impacts, verify our point of aim, point of impact. Here we go. So we're quite high. I'm going to shoot 5 shots and then I'll dial down. Looking pretty good so far. I'll just go for 10. Ooh. Those are 10 shots. So about a half mil high. A little bit to the right. Push left a couple. And we'll get our next 10. It could be the wind pushing it off, but not positive, so I'm not going to jump to conclusions and call it that. Let's just get 10 more shots, hopefully on center this time. If it's not on center, I'll shoot 5 and then I'll adjust again. Here we go. A little low. looking very good for high velocity. Not sure the velocities you guys obviously know from the magneto speed, but I will find out soon enough. It's looking pretty nice. So let's start our groups now. Group number 1, top left corner. Last one, it's kind of rough. Not sure if that was wind. I can hear something banging around, so you can hear it's windy. It's not here because the house is blocking it, but it is what it is. Next 5 shots, here we go. That's looking pretty good. So the high velocity seems to work really good in the CZ457 so far. I'm not going to complain about that, especially in the wind that we have right now. Like, that's pretty good stuff. Let's go to group number 3, bottom right corner. This group is opening up quite a bit, not sure why. I guess we always need one bad group. Let's hope that's the one. And the final group, group number 4, bottom left. For 5, here we go. All touching, not the greatest group, but definitely not the worst. Our worst group was group number 3. You guys already know what the measurements were. I don't yet. I will soon enough though. The way I decided to do this is set up the caliper at 1 inch, and then when it gets my calibration marks for the program, I just set them as close as I can to the very tip with the little crosshair. So I line them up on either side, make sure that our calibration is a true 1 inch, not going by the target grid marks or circle and all that stuff, just to make it more fair. And now let's get back to the video. Thanks, guys. And I just want to say thanks for coming out and watching the video. If you want to see the chronograph data, that's going to be up now. And just want to tell you guys, enjoy your weekend. Hope to see you next weekend, next Sunday at 9 a.m. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. Go over to Eli's website, dayattherange.com. Download that target. Try it for yourself. It's pretty fun. All right, guys. Till next time. Take care.